Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Japan. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-timer, this one's for you. We're talking about the ultimate guide for solo travelers in Japan. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene temples of Kyoto, Japan has something for every adventurer. So, buckle up, grab your chopsticks, and let's dive right in. All right, let's kick things off with some essential Japanese phrases that will enhance your solo travel experience. Japanese might seem complicated, but even a few basic phrases can make your journey smoother. First up, konnichiwa. This is your go-to greeting for almost any situation. Imagine stepping into a local shop. The shopkeeper greets you with a warm konnichiwa, and you reply with a confident konnichiwa right back. Next, arigato gozaimasu. This means thank you, and you'll use it often. From the friendly staff at your hotel to the kind stranger who points you in the right direction, expressing gratitude is key. Now, let's talk about food. When you finished a mind-blowing bowl of ramen, a heartfelt gochi so sama deshita shows your appreciation. And of course, we can't forget sumimasen, which means excuse me. Whether you're navigating a crowded train station or politely getting someone's attention, this phrase will be your best friend. I'll provide a handy cheat sheet in the description box below with these phrases and a few bonus ones. Even if your pronunciation isn't perfect, the effort you make to communicate will be appreciated. Learning a few basic phrases is like unlocking a secret door to deeper cultural immersion. It shows respect, opens up communication channels, and often leads to unexpected friendships and experiences. The locals will appreciate your efforts, and you'll connect with the culture on a whole new level. So, practice those phrases and get ready to have some incredible conversations with the locals. One of the things that makes Japan an absolute dream for solo travelers is its incredibly efficient public transportation system. It's like a well-oiled machine that will whisk you away to any corner of the country with ease. First things first, let's talk about the Japan Rail Pass. If you're planning on traveling between cities, this pass is a lifesaver. It gives you unlimited access to most JR trains, including the iconic Shinkansen bullet trains. When you arrive at a train station, you'll be greeted by announcements and digital displays, all in Japanese. But don't worry, there are usually English translations as well. Look for the signs indicating your platform and train number, or ask a station attendant for assistance. Once you're on board, sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Japanese trains are known for their cleanliness, punctuality, and comfortable seating. In major cities like Tokyo and Osaka, you'll also encounter the intricate network of subway lines. These subways are a super efficient way to navigate the urban jungle, connecting you to all the major attractions and neighborhoods. Grab a prepaid IC card like a Pasmo or Suica card, which can be used on subways, buses, and even at some convenience stores. The locals are incredibly helpful and are usually more than happy to point you in the right direction. With a little planning and a sense of adventure, you'll be navigating Japan's public transportation system like a pro in no time. One of the things you'll notice immediately upon arriving in Japan is the incredible sense of safety and cleanliness. Japan has a very low crime rate, and you'll likely feel completely safe walking around even late at night. It's not uncommon to see people, including women, walking alone after dark without any worries. The streets are incredibly clean, and you'll rarely find litter anywhere. It's almost as if everyone takes pride in keeping their surroundings spotless. One thing that might surprise you is that people often leave their belongings unattended in public places. While I wouldn't necessarily recommend doing this yourself, it shows the level of trust and respect in Japanese society. Another thing that contributes to the feeling of safety is the respect for rules and order. People generally follow traffic laws, queue politely in lines, and are mindful of others in public spaces. The people of Japan are also incredibly kind, helpful, and honest. If you ever find yourself lost or in need of assistance, don't hesitate to ask a local. They'll go out of their way to help you. So, breathe easy, relax, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with exploring a country known for its safety and cleanliness. All right. Let's talk about money matters. While Japan is becoming increasingly card-friendly, it's still very much a cash-based society. So, it's essential to have a good amount of Japanese yen on hand throughout your trip, especially when you're venturing outside major cities. Think of it this way: carrying cash is like having a secret stash of delicious street food funds always at the ready. You'll want to be prepared to pay with cash for things like bus fares, temple entrance fees, and those irresistible snacks from street vendors. When it comes to exchanging your money, you've got a couple of options. You can exchange some currency before you even leave home, giving you some yen to start your journey with. Alternatively, you can exchange money upon arrival at the airport or at banks, and authorize currency exchange booths throughout Japan. ATMs are widely available, but not all ATMs accept foreign cards. Look for ATMs at 7-Eleven convenience stores, post offices, or those affiliated with international banks. Credit cards are accepted at most major hotels, restaurants, and department stores, but smaller establishments and local shops might prefer cash. It's always a good idea to have some yen on hand just in case. By being prepared and understanding the cash-based nature of Japanese society, you'll be able to fully enjoy your trip without any financial hiccups. Japan has a rich and fascinating culture with unique customs and etiquette that might be different from what you're used to. But don't worry. Embracing these cultural nuances is all part of the fun and will enhance your solo travel experience immensely. Let's start with greetings. Bowing is the customary way to greet someone in Japan, and the depth and duration of the bow depend on the level of formality. A slight nod of the head is appropriate for casual encounters, while a deeper bow is reserved for showing respect to elders or those in positions of authority. Shoes are typically removed before entering homes, temples, traditional ryokans, Japanese inns, and some restaurants. You'll usually find a designated area near the entrance to leave your shoes, and sometimes slippers will be provided for you to wear inside. Chopstick etiquette is another important aspect of Japanese dining culture. It's considered rude to stick your chopsticks upright in your rice bowl, or to pass food from chopsticks to chopsticks. Instead, use the opposite end of your chopsticks to serve yourself from shared dishes, or ask for a separate plate. Slurping your noodles is not only acceptable, but often encouraged in Japan. Tipping is not customary in Japan, and it can even be considered rude in some cases. By showing respect for the local way of life, you'll find that people are incredibly welcoming and appreciative of your efforts. So, there you have it. your ultimate guide to solo travel in Japan. I hope these tips and insights have inspired you to start planning your own epic adventure. Remember, traveling solo allows you to move at your own pace, embrace spontaneity, and create memories that will last a lifetime. From mastering basic Japanese phrases to navigating the efficient public transportation system, embracing the culture and etiquette, and indulging in the incredible cuisine, Japan has something to offer every kind of traveler. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides and inspiration. Safe travels.